Hi, I am Amjad from Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. I am skilled in quality assurance and quality control in welding inspection, which is essential for oil and gas industry. I am performing this video to get Weld Skill Council certificate. I am performing magnetic particle testing. It is one of the method of non-destructive testing. Before testing, the test object should be cleaned very well. I am using solvent cleaner for cleaning the test object. After cleaning, I am applying white contrast paint for background. Wait for some time for drying. Here I am using yoke method for magnetic field. In this yoke method, I am applying magnetic field and magnetic particle at the same time.